Hello. I'm filming a quick walkthrough of something that is pretty awesome. So let's go to Scentsy Club. There are some updates for this month of September 2022. I'm going to show you guys how you can get some extra freebies this month. So, I'm not going to go through the one that I already have open because that one's not coming until November, but I will pull up and make an example Scentsy Club subscription. Look at that, right there, up front, so you know about it. Okay, cool. So, let's say that we want to get the whiff box. Let's review subscription. If no matter what size order you have, you're going to get a free fairy tale bar. Let me show something even cheaper. Let me go down to the bulbs. Let me add a single $2 light bulb. Yeah, see? Right there. You're going to get the free fairy tale pumpkin bar regardless of how much you spend. But let's bulk it up and make it even better. So you know that once you get to $30, you get 10% off your order. So let's see. Let me garbage that. Okay. See, now we've got the total discount at $3. We still have that free bar. I'm going to add more items. Actually, let me go do Scentsy Fresh. Everybody needs some Scentsy Fresh. We just got pink cotton at Scentsy Fresh. Come on, add. Okay, go back. You know, you can also add the scent of the month. Gimme Candy. Gimme Candy is the scent of the month for September, and it is amazing. Let's do this. Review subscription. When you get to the $60 mark, you unlock a half price item. So, and for the month of September, you've unlocked free cotton cleanups. How freaking amazing. So let's just go pretend that we're going to get a wax brick for half off. Blueberry cheesecake is like a #1 seller. So this is what you would get. You'd get 2 free items. My goodness gracious. You get 2 free items, and then you've got $18 in a total discount. Pretty freaking great if you ask me. So yeah, that's how easy it is to get your freebies this month on top of the regular rewards. Goodbye.